Hello! Data structure in Java continued. Now, coming up is the code of queue. Queue. And this is the program in Java BlueJ. How the code of queue is applied. So these two are making up of the class node. The member data. One is integer data and the other is the address of its own. So other is next, which is storing something of its own type. Now this is a internal value. It is cannot be input from outside. Make queue method make queue is going to make the queue, and where is the queue? How is the queue is being made? How is the queue being made is this is how. First node start, in that we enter the data of the start, right? Why are we doing linked list? Because we are using a group of numbers, we are storing a set of numbers without using array. There is no array anywhere, but there are multiple numbers available to us. How is that being done? Here, the second node is created, second node's data part is allocated, and then currents means current was allocated in the very beginning to start. So this current is beginning to keep track from the start. Now currents next is getting move, and then current is coming over to move. Now how long will this continue? As long as the choice is yes. Well, moves data, and then current's address part is given the value of move. Now this is the next one. Current is the current one or the present one, and then current walks over to move. Right. So let me show the output of this program. Here I have kept it ready for you so that I can run. Display stays same as what it was. Make queue is making the queue, and main is calling the make queue method. Now here, oh, I forgot to erase the working one sec. Yes, a minor correction made by me just now. Well, enter the first data. Suppose I enter the first data as 10. Do you want more data to enter? Yes, I want more data. That is why I choose 1. No. I have entered the data as 1. I think I can continue. Enter 1 for entering more data. So here suppose I enter 2 as my next data. Enter 1 for entering more data. I enter 3 as my next data. And then enter 1 for entering more data. I enter 4 as my next data. Enter 1 for more data. I will go up to 7. Enter 1 for entering more data. Now the next data is 5. And then 1. This means continue. And then 6. And then 1. And then we come to 7. And then I don't want to enter any more data. Okay, fine. Enough. Now you see, this was my first data, and this was my second data, and this was my third data. I can run this once more because this has become a bit more not as per my choice. Okay, so if I run this once more, I will call main, enter the first data, I enter the first data is 10. Enter the next data, I enter the next data as 20. Any more data? Yes. Which is that? 30. Any more data? Yes. Which is that? 40. Any more data? Yes. Yes. Which is that? 50. Any more data? Yes. Which is that? 60. Any more data? Yes. Which is that? 70. Oh. Any more data? Yes. What is that? 70. Now, any more data? No. Now check this out. Can you see first data 10? Good enough. Next data 20. And can you see the effect of first in, first out this time? Well, time for you to look into the program once more. You will get the program in the previous video also. Display is making a copy of start and carrying on till it gets a null in it. It is reassigning itself to the value in its next. Now display will be explained once more in the next video. Okay.